doing? My name is Danielle, and this is going to be my weekly update for my Weight Watchers weigh-in. This is my 6th weigh-in with Weight Watchers. If you guys are new here, previously I was on the keto diet for 1 year. And before I was on keto, I was doing like 80-20 like clean eating. And within that time, I lost, just doing the clean eating, working out, about 110 pounds. And then on keto, I lost maybe like another 10, 15, but you know, inches and such. I stopped doing keto because I just needed a change. I felt like it was, my body was no longer liking it. It was not working for me anymore. With that being said, if it works for you, if you enjoy that way of life, if that eating lifestyle works for you guys, by all means, go for it. You know, I've seen it work for my husband. It's just different strokes for different folks. So with that being said, we're on Weight Watchers, week 6. So before we start, I am going to tell you guys if I lost or gained. This week, I lost a 0.4. I know it's not like 2 or 3 or 5 pounds, but a 0.4 is a 0.4. And last week I had a lot of people say, you know what, Danielle, it adds up. Small stuff adds up. And you are 100% right. So I'm happy with my 0.4. I feel really good. Out of all the weeks I've been on Weight Watchers, this is the week I feel the best. I'm just using, like, I get 23 points. So I'm using anywhere from 21 to 23. So I've been in blue dots the whole week. I feel really great. I've been working out. I recently started the Couch to 5K app. If you guys have tried that, let me know below, and maybe some pointers. So I did day 1 and day 2. Day 1, I wasn't that great on. I barely got through the 20 minutes because I was just kind of winded and I just was having a hard time. Day 2, I got through it. I was a sweaty mess, but I loved it. So my goal is in September here in Chicago, they have something called the DICA Dash. I'm after my DICA, the coach. And it's over at downtown on Soldiers Field, and you do the 5K run, and it's like really cute, and they wear like my DICA mustaches. It's just really fun. So I want to do that. I want to become a runner. I feel like I see people and they enjoy it, and it gives them the clarity, and I want that. I want that for me, from, you know, that time for myself. I've had to really take a step back. I was really into heavy weightlifting for a long time, and while I still enjoy it, I want to have that lean, long, lean look with running. So that's my new thing. So I'm doing the Couch to 5K app, and I've been kicking butt. I got in all my steps. I worked out 4 days this week, which I thought was great. And yeah, so my GI issues. We all know that I've had issues for this whole time on Weight Watchers. I really contributed a lot of my like slowing of weight loss because of that. I've always been really bloated, so bloated, the point where it like almost hurts to walk because you're just so bloated. And like really, oh God, this is so embarrassing to put on the internet, but like kind of gassy, and you know, I hadn't been able to go to the bathroom, so I was doing like Miralax and all this stuff. So I had watched a couple videos, and I had read some stuff, and people said, you know, to try these teas. And probably like you're looking right now, you're probably like, oh God, an Instagram girl with a tea in her hand. Because that's what I was like, oh, I'm going to be that girl. But I was like, you know what? I've tried everything. I don't want to keep doing like this Miralax thing. Let me see if this will work. So I went ahead and I got the TEAMI tea, and I did the 30-day one where it's the skinny tea, which this is, and then every other day you do the colon one. So you get, how I do it is they tell you to take 5 grams of the leaves, and then, you know, put it in like near boiling water, and you could have it 1 to 3 cups a day. I do 3. And I absolutely love it. I use the same leaves, so you're not like, that's what I was worried. So I was like, this is a little envelope. You're wasting all this money. But you go ahead and you just reuse the leaves. And guys, I'm going to tell you a couple things. I love coffee. I love caffeine. I'm not very sensitive to caffeine, and I love it. I love it, the fact that if I get hungry, I'll have a cup of coffee, and it tends to deteriorate my, you know, kind of push away my appetite as well. And I just like coffee. I come from a long line of coffee drinkers. 3 pots a day. 3 freaking pots. My husband was like, Danielle, are you serious? So serious right now. So I was like, this is not good. This is not good. I got to figure out something else. So this came in, and I was like, let me give it a try. I am down to 1 cup of coffee a day. 1 cup, which is huge. So this does have some natural caffeine in it. So what I've been doing is right when I get up in the morning, I go ahead and I make the tea, and I kind of go and relax. And I'm going to tell you what, I definitely can feel it. They say it's supposed to kick in your metabolism, and I feel that because I usually can go a couple hours without eating, and within maybe 2 hours of having this, I'm like, man, I kind of feel a little shaky, like, man, I need to eat something. So, and I feel it working. Like I could feel myself kind of wait, like a good burst of energy, not like a shaky, you know, strong cup of coffee energy, but like a good boost of it. So, yeah, I totally feel great. I've laid off the coffee. My period is supposed to come, today's Saturday, it's supposed to come on Wednesday. Usually by now, like I have all the other symptoms, but usually by now I'm so bloated, gassy, like, you know, you guys know, I haven't had any of those issues, guys. I am not bloated at all. My stomach has been so bad and bloated lately, like I can lay in bed at night and hear it, like gurgling. Where I'm like, the hell is going on? It's even my husband's like, is that your stomach? Like, that's not cute, girls. You don't want to be laying next to your man trying to look all sweet and cute, and your stomach's. So I'm like, yeah, it's not cute. So luckily that issue has subsided. So I definitely feel like it has to do with this. I love this. I literally can't believe how good it works. Like, I would have bought it a long time ago, but I just thought it was like all those other ones on Instagram, and I was like, girl, please. I ain't even dealing with all that. But yeah, it's blowing my mind. I even was like, Mom, you gotta try this. This is for real. And my mom tried it, and she was like, oh wow, that is good. I like that. And I'm gonna order some. So, and she never tries anything I tell her. But so let's go to round 2, the colon tea. It works. I no longer need Miralax, but I don't have what do they call it? We were talking about this on my Instagram live. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. Follow me, because on my Instagram live stories, we talk about BM. That's what we do. But it's a cool bunch of ladies, and I would love to have you guys as my friends. But it works, but it doesn't give you the cramps that like an X-Lax would give you, and it doesn't give you like the pure like diarrhea where you're like, holy hell, like I cannot leave my house type things. It does clean you out, but it's like the stuff that you don't want to, you're like, man, that's been up there for a minute, because you know what I mean? It's just like, without being gross, like it works, but it doesn't work too well to where like your butt hurts. That's all I'm going to say. So if you guys are interested in trying out this TEAMI tea, I reached out to them because I think they're great. So they went ahead and they gave me a discount code, and it is Diaries, all in caps, 15. That will give you 15% off. And before anybody gets on and like, oh, you're just trying to get paid or whatever. Nah, I'm just trying to give you guys a deal. And if it didn't work, I wouldn't tell anybody to use it. And that's 150% truth. Because if you watch any of my other videos, I will tell you for sure, like, no, don't waste your money, don't waste your time, you know, all those other things. But this stuff is great. So, yeah, I lost my 0.4. I feel great. I'm eating so much better. I definitely got a handle on the free foods. So I'm really laying off of the fruits. I've been really good with that, but I'm still enjoying a piece here and there. I've been doing a lot of hard-boiled eggs, a lot of protein shakes. I absolutely love Premier Protein, the caramel and the vanilla. I have not tried the chocolate, but those two, I love Premier Protein. I tried Quest, I've tried Muscle Milk, I've tried Body, Muscle Tech, all that stuff. I just, it's gross. I mean, it's just gross. I don't like it. It's like chalky, and I don't like it. It gives like this aftertaste, and I just don't like it. The Premier, especially, I swear to you guys, you can whip it up with some ice and top it with like 5 grams of the Cool Whip for free, and it tastes like a legit milkshake, and it's thick, so it's heavy. You know, so in the morning, like I'm not that hungry after I had that tea, I'll have me a shake. You know, and lasts forever. And the canisters are like these things, I don't know, little twist. I want to say canisters, that's what we're going to call them. Shake things are 2 points, and they're so good, and they really hit my sweet tooth because I have one. And I've done a lot more vegetables this week, so that's been really good. I just feel like even though it wasn't a huge weight loss, I feel so great about it. I feel like I really took care of myself. I feel just super positive about it. And I feel like I have such a great support system with you guys out there. Thank you. Thank you for all your kind words on my last video. Thank you for just, you know, saying, don't give up, Danielle. Don't be down on yourself. You're doing great. Thank you. Because sometimes, like, I want to lose a lot of weight. And I kind of feel like, you know, especially recording this for the public eye, like, I feel like, oh, God, I don't want to let you guys down. I want you guys to know that this is actually a really great way of eating, and it can work. It's just sometimes weight loss for other people take a long time. And I want to say that because, you know, I am almost 5'7". I am very much bottom heavy. I've always been a thicker girl. My weight likes to stay at a certain angle, say a certain weight. It just fits. So usually when I get around, you know, $170, $180, my body likes to hold that. That's that 10 pounds of happiness, you know? So it's really hard for me. Sometimes it'll take me a long time to drop, but I'll notice it in inches. I have not noticed, I did measure myself this week, and the only thing that went down was my bust. But 43 in the hips, 33.5 in the waist, and now I am 37 in the chest. I mean, whatever. It is what it is. But I'm happy with those. I want my clothes. I'm just really, really comfortable with how it's going, because so if I lose a 0.4 every week for the next 4 weeks, I mean, that'll be a couple pounds. That'll equal, you know. So, and maybe it'll only be, you know, 2 or 3 pounds, but maybe it's 5 inches. So that's kind of what's getting me through this. I just have to think of long term. And not only that, I don't feel restricted. I feel really happy. I feel like I can live my life. I feel like I can eat dinner with my family. I feel like I don't have to constantly be like, oh, you're going to have that? I don't need that. Sorry. Because it's almost offending to some people too when they invite you over for dinner and you're like, oh, you're going to have potatoes and corn and, I don't know, pasta. And you're like, I ate already. Sorry, I don't eat carbs. That's offensive. You know, people are going to be like, invite this girl over to my house. She's rude. So I feel like now where I can be like, yeah, I can have that. Let me just make sure my portion's all good, you know? So how did you guys do? Let me know. I know you guys did great. I know you guys are smashing your goals because you guys always hit me up on Instagram and let me know how good you're doing. And if you gained this week, oh well. If you lost this week, great. If you stayed the same, great. As long as we're doing the things. I tracked 100% this week. I got my workouts in. I got my water in. I feel good. And that's what I think. That's what I want. I want to feel good. I want to feel good about myself. And today, this week, I felt really good. So that's what I hope for you. You feel really good about yourself because I think you guys are great. So I will check in with you guys next week for my, you know, another weigh-in. Come back tomorrow in the morning because I have an awesome, awesome, awesome recipe video for you tomorrow. And you guys are going to love it because it's also a collab with one of my girls here on YouTube. So, all right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And if we're not friends on Instagram, let's go ahead and do that and be like besties. And if you guys have the Weight Watchers app, make sure you follow me. I am also under Daniela Diaries. And if you guys are interested in trying out the good old TEAMI tea, which I swear to you guys, if you guys all live close to me, I would give you a little bit and be like, dude, just try it. because that's literally where I'm at right now. Like, I'm like, just here, take a little bit home with you, and you're gonna love it because it's that good. So if you guys, I wish, no joke, I'm not like, I can't believe how good my stomach feels. Like, it's just such a relief. So if you guys are interested in giving that a try, remember Diaries 15 for your discount. All of that mumble jumble I just said will be listed down below. All right, guys, have a great week. Kick butt, all those things, and let me know how you did below. All right, I'll see you later.
Show me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasted.